Made promises and now there is politics over the criminal law amendment bill. It has hit a roadblock, the sticky issue being the age of consent for sex. But strangely, it was 16 until 42 days ago when the ordinance increased it to 18. Then why are the political parties opposing a rule now which they did not have a problem with for years?
First they made promises. Now it's come down to politics. The Criminal Law Amendment Bill, which aims at stricter laws for crimes against women, seems to be hitting a political roadblock. Ahead of the all-party meeting on Monday, many have come out to oppose provisions in the bill.
They have reduced the age of consent sexual act from 18 to 16. I don't understand why.
Having voyeurism and stalking as offences is something very serious, and it has not been deliberated upon, and therefore the Samajwadi Party is opposing the induction of these two clauses in the bill.
Lowering of the age of consent is not right. It should be kept at 18 years. But the party will... No, I feel that if the marriageable age is 18, how can the age of consent be 16?
While the JDU and BSP have come out in support of the legislation.
गंभीर है और किसी गंभीर मामले को जब निपटाया जाता है तो उसमें निश्चित तौर पर समाज में कई तरह की प्रतिक्रिया होती, कई तरह की समर्थन में भी लोग खड़े होते हैं, लेकिन ये देश और दुनिया को, समाज को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जरूरी है.
As the deadline for the ordinance to lapse draws closer, is this bill too going the women's reservation way? The main objection of many parties seems to be bringing the age of consent for sex back to 16. But considering the fact that the age was increased to 18 from 16 just over a month ago when the Criminal Law Amendment Ordinance was signed by the President, are parties opposing the bill for the sake of opposition? Does their claim that lowering the age of consent is against Indian culture and ethos just an attempt to block a pro-women's bill? While the government has promised that the bill will be tabled before the budget session breaks for recess on the 22nd,
the Cabinet, after discussing the recommendations, has in its wisdom approved the bill as recommended by the group of ministers.
can the centre build consensus on it, or will India have to wait longer for the promises made to our nation to be fulfilled? Bureau Report, Times Now.